In this video, I want to show you how to update your status on WhatsApp web on your PC. To do that, just log into your WhatsApp web and then open a new tab on your browser and search for Chrome Web Store. When it opens, click on this link. Then come to this very search extension and search for WhatsApp Plus. Hit on Enter key. This is it, WhatsApp Plus. Click on it. Then here, click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. You can see it's downloading here. So once it is done, you can see it here. Once you are done installing, just click on this icon and you will see WhatsApp Plus for WhatsApp status. Just pin it. So once you pin it, then come back here to your WhatsApp. After pinning it to here, if you want to update your status, just click on it, then come to here, which is status. Click on status and you see this plus icon to add status. Click on add status. Then you can add photos, you can add video, and you can add text. For instance, if you want to add text as your status, just click on it and type your text. After typing your text, just click on here to update your status. You can see sending status. And that's it. Status updated. So, I hope this video is helpful to someone. Thank you for watching.